Meet Lynda Hallinan, gardener extraordinaire and editor of New Zealand Gardener magazine.
I'm thinking this chicken house is pretty cute. That could be a lead.
Despite the busy lifestyle that comes with running a magazine, for the past few years, Lynda has been attempting to live self-sufficiently in central Auckland, growing all her own fresh fruit and vegetables.
I've always thought that you had to live in the country and have a massive lifestyle block to be able to be completely self-sufficient, but 3 years ago I set myself a challenge to try to grow all my own food and to cut my grocery bills down to about $10 a week.
Lynda has established an impressive 91 edible crops and 61 fruit trees in her relatively small city garden.
I managed it and it actually wasn't even very difficult.
She believes everyone has something to gain by adopting a more sustainable, cost-effective way of living.
If I can do it, I think anyone can.